See students, one question is asked over here that what is the meaning of lake tapping. So lake tapping is to dig a tunnel down from the lake with the help of some dynamite explosive, so that the tunnel will be made down to the lake, and then the lake water will flow through the tunnel, and this takes place so that drinking water will be available, or for irrigation this lake tapping is important and it is useful. Now here are the names of some of, and the places and the states of the hydroelectric power plants along with their capacities given. So Tihari dam is in Uttarakhand, and that this is a major hydroelectric power plant of India. Its capacity is 2400 megawatt. Then Koyna is in Maharashtra with 1960 or 1960 megawatt. Srisailam is in Andhra Pradesh with 1670 megawatt. Natpa Zakari is in Himachal Pradesh with 1500 megawatt. Now we will move towards the wind energy, because wind energy is also a renewable source of energy. It is inexhaustible and it is a source of green energy, so it is an eco-friendly energy. So we all know that moving air is known as wind. If the air is moving naturally, it will possess kinetic energy. So the kinetic energy of the wind has been used since long for lifting of water, for driving of flour mill and all. And this kinetic energy of wind is used for generation of electricity. So the machine which converts the kinetic energy of wind to electrical energy is called wind turbine. As the wind strikes the blades of the turbine, the blades rotate. You might have seen fan-like structures are there of the windmill, and the moving air is caught on the blade. The blade will start rotating, and then that is connected to the turbine, and then through the generator the kinetic energy of the wind will be converted into electrical energy. The axle of the turbine is connected to electric generator through a gearbox. Now axle is not shown over here, but axle is a wheel like structure. It is spherical in shape, and see, you can see that this is a gearbox that is connected to the gearbox. And so these are all the parts of the windmill, and this is how the kinetic energy of the wind is converted into electrical energy. So various stages in the wind energy generation can be shown in figure 5.19. So these are certain stages. That means the wind with required velocity that will be caught onto the wind turbine with large fins. You might have seen the fan like structure into the fields, so that is the windmill. So that will be the wind turbine with the large fins, and then that is connected to the generator where the kinetic energy of the wind will be converted into electrical energy. So this is how the transformation of the energy will take place into the electrical generator using wind energy. So wind turbines with capacity right from less than 1 kilowatt to about 7 megawatt are commercially available. That means for the commercial purpose, the capacity of the wind turbine should be less than 1 kilowatt to about 7 megawatt. That means it should be between 7 megawatt to 1 kilowatt. Then depending on the wind velocity available at the site of installation, wind turbine with specific capacity is selected. The wind velocity at specific location depends on many geographical factors. So geographical factors, that means the location of the windmill. If it is present near to the seashore, it is very much beneficial, because wind velocity is usually high on the seashores, and the environment is very much beneficial for the setup of windmill. And there easily we will get the required the wind with the required velocity, and then we can generate electricity from that wind energy. So wind energy is a clean source of energy. It does not causes any kind of pollution, but and however the wind velocity is necessary for wind energy generation. It is not available everywhere, so there is the limitation of wind energy into our country, because there are much windmills are not present at almost all the places. Then rest of the things like generation of the electricity from solar energy, that we shall study into next video. So till then, have a knowledgeable day. Thank you.